Hello everyone, welcome to another Arrays Easy Level question. Now this question is a little different because we'll be looking at both brute force and optimized solution. Now going forward, we will try to look at both this brute force and optimized solution. Okay. Now first let's jump into the question, like what it is asking. So we are given an array and a variable diff, which is difference. Okay, and we need to find a triplet such that it follows these three conditions. Now what are these conditions? I as in index I should be always less than index j, and j index should always be less than k index. Second condition is nums at jth index minus nums at ith index should be equals to diff, and similarly nums of k minus nums of j should be equals to diff. Now in the question, if you will see, we are given strictly increasing. Now this is important to us because it gives us two important things. Okay, first is being strictly increasing array. Okay, there will always be unique elements. Okay, if it is not given in the question like there are unique elements, but if it is given that the values are strictly increasing, then it can be interpreted that the values in the arrays are unique. Second thing, they are in a sorted order. Okay, these two things are really important for us to solve this problem in an optimized solution, not in the brute force. In the brute force, we don't care about the order or the values. Okay, let's dive straight into the brute force first, and then we will move to the optimized solution. Okay, so first our result, let's say it is equals to 0. Next we'll start from, I'll keep this blank for now. Okay, j equals to what? It will always be greater than I. So I plus 1, j less than, I will keep this place as blank right now. Okay, for int k is equal to what? K will always be greater than j. K less than, I will keep this blank for now, k plus plus. Now okay, wait, yeah, I forgot this. Okay, now k will start from j plus 1 till the end of our array. Okay, but in case of j, it will always be 1 less than k. Okay, and our k will go till the size of our array, it will less than k. Now our I will be 1 less than j, that is 2 less than k minus 2. Okay, now we need to check what these conditions. I'll simply copy them, this and the second condition. If these two are satisfied, we'll increment our counter, and at the end we'll return our result. Okay, so it is that easy. But if you will see here, the brute force approach, it is very slow. It is taking 348 ms, which is very bad. Okay, so we need to jump to our optimized solution. Okay, now how this optimized solution will work, let's look at that. So right now we have let me remove, yeah, we have 3 index, I less than j, j less than k. Conditions are nums of j minus nums of I should be equals to diff. Similarly, nums of k minus nums of j should be equals to diff. Now let me simplify this. How this is helpful for us. I will write this as j, this is I, and this is k for our simplicity. Okay. These are not exactly j, I, and k. J minus I, that is equals to diff. Can we write it as j is equal to I plus diff? Okay. This is, let's say, our first equation. Secondly, we have k minus j, that is equals to diff. Can I also write it as k is equal to j plus diff? From first equation, if we take here, j is nothing but I plus diff, and we have our another diff. Okay, this is our second. So looking at this, all we have to find is I plus diff, I plus diff plus diff. If we have these three values, then we have found our triplet and we can increment our counter. Okay. Now how will we do this? Let's look at the code and it will be easier to understand. We don't want this costly algorithm. Let's remove this. We'll simply iterate through our array. Now we have a method in our STL library which is called count. Now how does that work? If count of nums dot begin, first begin, then we have end, and next the element that we are searching for in our vector. Okay, that is I plus diff. If we found this element, then it will return a non-zero value, and if we do not find this element, it will return a zero value. Okay, non-zero positive value. Okay, and count of similarly begin comma nums dot end I plus diff plus diff. If we have found this, we'll simply increment our counter. Let's submit this. Okay, as you can see, the runtime has reduced significantly. I mean, we have come from 348 ms to 10 ms, which is very fast. Okay, so we will try to cover both brute force and optimized solution starting on from now. Okay, slowly, and we will also include time complexity. How do we find the time complexity of our algorithm? Okay, and how we can reduce it. Okay, if it is O of n square or n cube, how we can reduce it to O of n or O of n square. Okay, so that's it for this video. Do let me know if you have any suggestions for me. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.